You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. It controls your headlights, parking lights, and fog lights. Turn the switch to the first position for parking lights. Turn it to the second position for headlights. You can also set the switch to the auto position, which automatically turns the headlights on or off based on surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switches adjust the brightness of your ambient lighting, instrument panel backlights, and interior lights. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control on the left to adjust ambient lighting. The control on the right adjusts your instrument panel backlights. Rotate the instrument panel dimmer all the way up to the first position to put the interior lights into daytime mode. Rotate it to the second position to turn on all the interior lights. Rotate to the bottom position to disable the interior lights and set the backlights to their lowest dimmable setting. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low beam headlights, or put the switch in the auto position and push in the headlight control switch. Push the headlight control switch a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.